Good morning and welcome to Skill by Day, where I try to do stuff and get better at it. So today is day 43, and I took a couple hits. I took a hit last week when I tried to do Bowser. And I'm not blaming the guy, just my choice in using that one. I think Koopa Troopa, Yoshi, they were really cute. So with Pikachu, it got me kind of back on track a little bit. And I did okay with Tom and Jerry, I think. But this week, I want to do something to stretch my creative skills. So I'm using a randomlist.com, random animal generator. And basically, I'm going to pick an animal. Well, it's going to pick an animal for me, and I'm going to try to make my make a character based on that one. So I did the list, ran it today using a single random animal, and the one that popped up is Canary. So let's go ahead and open it up. Open up the canvas. All right. So this is 100%, except for choosing the animal itself. This is 100% from my imagination. So I don't expect it to be good, but let's see what we can do here. All right, so we're gonna make a bird person. So I'm gonna first try to get a head, kind of this kind of shape. Right, birds have kind of a dome type head, right? And actually, I want it to be like this, like that. So I'm gonna put the nose about here. They don't have a huge mouth. But my character is definitely going to have a beak. All right. Okay. Now our eyes. I'm going to do maybe some, just a little patch of something around the nose there. And then the eyes are going to be like that. Okay. Okay. All right, so we've got kind of the head shape. All right, so I want this canary to be kind of a big-ish canary. I mean, he has to carry his weight around all the time, right? So a big-ish canary, and then we're gonna do these wings. Okay. Now bird legs are really small, so we're gonna have just kind of a that, and then really just he's gonna have like these. He missed leg day, right? Every week he just doesn't do legs. He's got this all right. Now let's see here. I wanna. Let's see if we can clean this up a little bit. I always imagine, birds have got to have like these huge, like really strong muscles, right? All right, so this actually, I made a little bit of mistake. This one should be like flow right into the wing, right? Because we're looking at it from this side, whereas this one's gonna be more behind. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of shape to the leg, just a little bit. Okay, there we go. And it's a bird, right? So it's got no neck. It's just like, boom, head, body. And you know what? I'm going to call this guy Carl, right? Carl Canary. There we go. We got Carl Canary. All right. Wow, that was actually pretty quick that I did that. Okay, let's see what it looks like. So I got to be really careful with the head here. I want him to look like a... Ah. See, this is these long shapes. All right, let's see if we can get this wing. with these 3 little talons. Let's see if we can... Oh, wait, hold on. And I want it to look good, right? Let's Ah. All right, so we've got, let's kind of, this looks a little strange, doesn't it? Let's erase this a little bit here and make that a little, oh. And actually, if he's turned towards us here, we can get rid of that. Let's get him some shading here, right? We got some. Those feathers, they gotta be. We don't really have a neck, but we can add a little bit of shade here. All right, just to give him. Let's see what maybe there's a little bit of brown on the wings. I guess I don't know. I'll add some dark tips here. It's where his canary fire feathers shoot out. Oh, Lord. Maybe that's too big for the chest there. I should probably bring it over just a little bit and make this more feather, right? Make this part of the wing. And because he's like a super bird man thing, I'm going to call him, I'm going to put a big C for Carl Canary. There we go, right there. Okay, that actually doesn't look good. I'll take the C's off. I mean, it could be worse, right? Okay, so that's my fun for the day. yeah, I'm going to be doing this kind of stuff all this week. Carl Canary. Anyway, there you go. There you have it for the day. Of course, as usual, keep getting better every day, and see you next time. Peace out.